What does this traffic sign indicate? A. Priority only at the next crossroads or junction. B. Priority at all crossroads and junctions on this road. C. Priority as far as the urban limit. The correct answer is A. This priority sign grants right-of-way only at the immediately following intersection. Are you allowed to park here? A. Yes, briefly for shopping. B. Yes, with an official parking permit. C. Yes, as a seriously disabled person with an official parking permit. The correct answers are B and C. This parking zone requires either a general permit or disabled permit, no short-term shopping stops. What vehicles are permitted to use this road? A. Motor vehicles. B. Cycles and motorcycles that are pushed. C. Electric-powered vehicles. The correct answer is B. This pedestrian zone sign allows only manually pushed cycles, motorcycles, no motorized use. Are you allowed to drive faster than 60 kilometers per hour here? A. Yes, if the roadway is wet. B. Yes, if the roadway is dry. The correct answer is B. This conditional speed limit applies only when wet. Dry road allows normal speed limits. You are approaching this roundabout. What must you remember? A. Vehicles in the roundabout have priority. B. You must indicate to leave the roundabout. C. You must indicate when entering the roundabout. The correct answers are A and B. German roundabout rules require yielding to circulating traffic and exit signaling. Which traffic sign gives right of way at the next crossroads? A. Traffic sign 2. B. Traffic sign 3. C. Traffic sign 1. The correct answer is C. Sign 1 designates priority road status at the approaching intersection. What does this traffic sign indicate? A. A cul-de-sac. B. A road closed to vehicle traffic. C. An underpass. The correct answer is A. This sign warns drivers that the road ahead has no through passage. Dead end. What does this traffic sign indicate? A. An obligatory diversion for vehicles with dangerous goods. B. The place where the autobahn must be exited. C. An autobahn section which is normally not used very much. The correct answer is C. This sign identifies a low-traffic autobahn stretch, often used for emergency stops or testing. At these traffic lights with a green arrow, where should you stop before turning right? A. Before the crossing, junction if no stop line. B. At the stop line. C. No need to stop. The correct answers are A and B. You must stop at the line or before the intersection. The arrow doesn't override basic right turn rules. What must you do upon seeing this traffic sign? A. Be particularly attentive. B. Drive up to the pedestrian crossing at moderate speed. C. Be ready to brake. The correct answers are A, B, and C. This pedestrian crossing sign requires full alertness, reduced speed, and braking preparedness.